Well, hi there. It's the next day. So we've had the fishing expedition, which was no good. Yesterday we went for a walk up to the Wentworth waterfalls. Absolutely beautiful. Have a look at this. And today I'm going to hop on a kayak and head out to Donut Island. It's about 600 meter paddle, and go and have a look at that island and see what that's all about. It's very light winds, not a very big sea, and 10:30 high tide. It's nearly 10 o'clock now, so we'll head out there and have a look. So getting ready to paddle out to Donut Island. Obviously got my life jacket on. Kayaks here. So Chris the guide will be going with us, and he's just getting another customer, and we'll head out, paddle out through this little swell. Should be good. Paddled over the surf, not a big wave, but it'll be interesting coming back, see if we can ride one of them. And heading out to the island, I see there's another tour group there with 4 or 5 kayaks getting ready to go in. We'll have a look. The water's gorgeous, not too cold and quite clear. Haven't seen any fish yet, but just gorgeous. Wow, it's a beautiful looking island. All rugged, uninhabited, illegal to land, of course. Got to stay in the kayak, not allowed on shore anywhere. Just stunning. Another little island over there. Just awesome. And there comes the earlier tour group. They're busy coming out of the opening. Just behind that small rock. You see the other group coming out. Wow, look at these cliffs. Gosh. Gosh, we're on high tide. Hello! Hello! yet the tide's pushing in still. Unreal, look at the state of this. Unreal. Look at this. Oh, wow. Wow, this is just awesome. It's a small beach here, a little bit of sandy beach, but of course illegal to land. It's a protected island, so you don't want to stop there for a barbecue.
So when we first started coming here,
GoPro, stop recording.
point it out.
There's a big swell coming through. Yep. Gosh.
When we first started coming here, it was all sand initially.
Yeah.
And now it's all permanent rock. I've all fallen off.
Okay. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, turn off. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this thing. Wow. Unreal. Look at this, check it out. Unreal. And it's a surge all over the place. It's beautiful. And there's our guide Chris from Pedal and Paddle, Whangamata. Awesome, simply awesome. It's a small beach here, a little bit of sandy beach, but of course illegal to land. It's a protected island, so you don't want to stop there for a barbecue.
Point it out.
There's a big swell coming through. Yep. Gosh.
When we first started coming here, it was all sand initially.
Yeah.
And now it's all permanent rock. I've all fallen off.
Okay.
There's some
There's a bit of a swell rolling in here. Gosh, and it's on high tide now. You reckon at low tide it'll be, you won't be able to get in here at low tide. But there's a bit of a swell rolling in. But beautiful, absolutely worth it. So we're going to head out, and we're going to go left when we get out and go around the ocean side of the island, which is a long way around. Have a look. Look at the swell coming in. Gosh, you reckon at low tide you couldn't come in at this swell, but we'll give this a nudge and see. Oh, just simply stunning. Well worth the detour. Woohoo! Woohoo! There we go. Back into daylight. We're on the outside of the island now, going around. There's a fair sized swell, and look at these cliffs and I suppose you'd say false entrances to the island, but I think we need to keep paddling, momentum up. We left Whangamata, Donut Island. I'm going to head for this island, go around the corner, and apparently we're allowed to land on this island, so we'll land on the beach and stretch our legs. What's this island called? Yeah. Katuru. Clark Island. And over here in the tree we've got a couple of spotted shags, on account of we've just spotted them. And look how clear this water is and how shallow. Gosh, can't be more than 2 meters deep, and it's crystal clear. Mental note, come snorkeling here. So I can't believe how clear this water is. It's pretty shallow, but absolutely beautiful. We can see the bottom. Just gorgeous. Unreal. So apparently at low tide you can wander out here from the beach. It's only knee deep, but obviously you don't want to get caught in high tide. So there's the harbour entrance. That's where I was fishing a couple of days ago. So we left over there where the orange windsock is. We paddled out to Donut Island, around the outside of Donut Island, into the middle, out around the outside of Donut Island, and then around here to Kayak Island. And, get up here stretching our legs. Also a very beautiful island. And now we're going to have to paddle home. So we're off, and we've got to aim for that slip over there and then catch a wave into the beach. We're not going to go straight to the beach. Probably about 600 meter paddle, but off we go. So it's like a drone, like an aquatic drone. That's interesting. I can't see anybody near the beach connected to it. That's the first time I've seen one of those. Look at this. Looks like a little shark. Very interesting. What's it called? Predator. I wonder what they're doing. Whether they're surveying or fishing or what they're doing. Very interesting. Right, let's paddle ashore. Not sure what that's about, but let's paddle ashore, see if we can get a little swell to get us in. Here we go. Parallel. No, and maybe the next one. There's going to be another one. Woohoo! Woohoo! Awesome. It was about to happen. Fantastic.